Hey guys, welcome back to Varlakshmi Law Vlogs. Today we are diving into an interesting route to get a UK work visa where you can sponsor yourself. Yes, you hear that right. By setting up a new business or maybe a business that you already own, you can apply for a skilled worker visa by yourself. Let's go through the whole process step by step. Step 1, setting up a business in the UK. So basically, you need a functioning business in the UK. Either it can be a brand new company you establish or an old company you already own. But here's what the UK government requires to recognize your company as an official company. I mean, as a legitimate company. There are three things. One is business registration, and the second thing is UK address, and the third thing is bank account. So when it comes to the first thing, which is a business registration, you will need to register your business with the company's house. Company's house is nothing but the official register of the business in the UK. So the second thing is UK address. So you will need to have a physical address inside the UK. Even it can be a small rented space to run your business. And the third thing is bank account. You need to open a business bank account in the UK to handle all your business transactions. So these three things sets up your business on paper and establishes it as a real functioning entity in the UK. So step 2 is to apply for a sponsor license. So with this business setup, you can apply for a skilled worker sponsor license through the Home Office. This sponsor license let your company act as an official sponsor, allowing you to hire yourself. So basically, we need two things again with this step. So the first one is AO, which is authorizing officer. You need to appoint someone as an authorizing officer for your business to handle the sponsorship process, but that person needs to be a British citizen. So the second thing, document checks. You need to be ready with document of VAT registration, PAYE registration, and then employer liability insurance. So as I said, if you are submitting an application for skilled worker sponsor license through the Home Office with whatever the documents and requirements what I said right now, like appointing an authorizing officer, VAT registration, PAYE registration, and employer's liability insurance, all such things, the approval process of this sponsor license will take between 8 to 12 weeks by the Home Office. Step 3, issue yourself a certificate of sponsorship, here in COS. So once your sponsor license is approved, you are now ready to assign a certificate of sponsorship, that is COS, on your name. This is a quite critical step that proves your job role within the business must be genuine. So job role and salary, the role you assign to yourself must be genuine, and you will also need to pay yourself at 26,200 pounds a year of salary, or to match with the going rate, whichever is higher. So basically, the UK government will want evidence that the role you are assigning yourself is legitimate and that your business can afford a salary, like financial documents and a lease agreement of your business premises can help prove this. Step 4, apply for a skilled worker visa. Now, after assigning a COS on your name, and you are now ready to apply for a skilled worker visa itself. So again, skilled worker visa, this criteria is normal like others. Basically, what will happen generally, someone will sponsor you, and someone will, I mean, your employer will sponsor you, and they will provide a certificate of sponsorship on your name. And then after getting that certificate of sponsorship, you will go and apply a skilled worker visa with the Home Office. This is the usual thing. But here, you are an employer and you are sponsoring yourself by assigning a certificate of sponsorship on your name, and then you are applying a skilled worker visa with the Home Office. It requires primarily is your COS, proving your job role, salary, occupation code, and everything, and then your English language requirements, and other things like maintenance fund and tuberculosis test if you depending on where you're from. After you apply, processing takes a few weeks, and this visa, like this skilled work visa, can last up to 5 years, and then it is renewable. So after 5 years, you could even apply for a permanent residency in the UK. So I have already posted a video on my channel detailing the application process of the skilled worker visa. So please don't miss to check out with the description here, where I have posted the link of that for more in-depth information. So the biggest benefit of this self sponsorship is flexibility. Here you're not relying on anyone, any employer. Instead you're working through your own business, so you will have more control on your own career path. Plus, if you have a family members, they can also join with you as a dependent of a skilled worker visa. And here's one other great point I need to mention. You can not only sponsor yourself, you can also sponsor other employees for your company. This means you can bring in skilled workers to help grow your own business while still enjoying the benefits of being your own sponsor. So that's a full breakdown of how you can sponsor yourself for the skilled work visa by setting up a business in the UK. If you like this video, please hit the like button and share for more updates, and drop any questions you have in the comments below. Thank you for watching.